Okay, now, you see this vase? See the vase?
Yeah, put it on.
Now look, I'm going to open up the vase. And inside the vase, there's a normal ball. Now, close this vase back up, and I'll hand it to my papa. And what my papa's going to do with this ball right here is put it in his pocket.
Okay. It's in my pocket. Okay.
Okay. Now, do you guys think I can make the ball come back in here?
No.
Okay, watch this. I want you guys to close up your eyes and count to 2, then blow in your hand.
Okay. You do it for us.
Like this. 1, 2.
Okay, let's see if you can do it.
Now, do you think the ball is in here?
No. Put it down on the phone.
Well, watch. Alakazam! It's
Very
in
good.
here.
Okay, but let me see. Can you make the ball jump back to my pocket?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I want you again to close up your eye, count to 2, and blow in your hand. Now do it. Let's do that again.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay.
Now, do you think it's there or not there?
I think it's still there.
Okay, watch this. Alakazam! It's not there.
Amazing. Okay, end the
It's
video.
not